We are getting started today with a whopping 3 pounds of chuck roast right into our crock pot. Get ready for this, you guys, because we are adding a couple of packets here of this French onion soup mix. Best thing right here, seasoning up with this chuck roast, phenomenal. If you have not tried this, you need to give it a try. So I throw 2 packets of the French onion in there, and I'm gonna follow it up with the cream of mushroom soup. These pair so well together. Now, of course, you can change this up and you don't have to use the cream of mushroom. I don't know, maybe you hate mushroom, but it really is delicious. If you have other ideas though, share them in the comments with us. Now let's take a cup of beef broth. I'm just gonna pour it right in there and fill up about half of a can, because also this chuck roast is definitely gonna give some juice into this as well. But oh my gosh, when this all bakes together in the crock pot, phenomenal, let me tell you. We're gonna give it a good stir here, just because I want all of that cream of mushroom soup in there. Look at all that onion mix. Oh my gosh, we are setting ourselves up for success today, you guys. And you know that I love cooking in the crock pot for summer, and look at how, oh my God, this is gonna be so juicy. That onion mix along with that cream of mushroom, just the right creaminess, working with a few ingredients, my favorite. Now we're gonna come in with some baby carrots, and I'm just gonna dump some of those right on top, just having this like one-stop shop here. I really like to lay my carrots on top, and that way they don't get soggy throughout the cooking process, and I think that they end up being done in just the right time. So I'm just gonna throw a little layer of carrots right on there. Those look fabulous. All right, we are rocking and rolling. Let's put that top on. Now all we gotta do is cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours and stick around, there's more to come, and I can't wait to show you how it turns out. All right, you guys, we are taking a little look-see here. This is smelling absolutely fabulous. Look at all of those delicious flavors just mixing together. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Wow, that meat looks so tender and super tasty. I can see all of the onions from that onion mix, and wow, that is looking like a delicious gravy. Now what I'm gonna do to make it even better is I have some broccoli here that I'm gonna throw in. So here's the deal. You don't have to use the broccoli, but if you're going to, I suggest that you put it in about, I don't know, maybe 40 minutes or so before your stuff is all done. That way it doesn't get too soggy. At least that's kind of what I like to do. And then what I'll do is I'll just kind of lay it right here on top. And then that way it doesn't get saturated in all of that sauce, but it'll start to get really nice and soft just underneath this lid right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop that lid back on, give it another 40 minutes, and wait until you see when I scoop this stuff out. I think you guys are gonna fall in love with this easy meal. We are hungry and ready for dinner around here. The house smells amazing, and holy cow, look at that stew action in there with that onion packet, the French onion, oh my goodness, and mixed with that cream of mushroom is just phenomenal. Then we have the broccoli and the carrots. Let's give a little look-see here. All of this meat just seems so tender. Oh my gosh, it's like this brown gravy that's in there. That is so looking really good there. Ooh, I wanna get like a big scoop of the carrots, the gravy, the broccoli, all right here, one-stop shop. What more could you want? I'm gonna toss it right here in this bowl. And I just wanna show you guys, look at how tender that meat is. It just breaks apart. Oh, that is so tender. That looks so good. And I am gonna let David come over here and give it a first try, because he's been helping me all day, and I'm very grateful for that.
Yummy.
Okay, we got some good cooking over here, and I'm ready to feed you.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's see.
I think the meat just is so tender, and it's so nice to use the French onion packet. It just delivers so much good flavor. We did put a little bit of that beef broth in there, which all cooks nicely. It's gonna be probably a little hot. I let it cool. Ooh, it is still hot, huh? What do you think about that flavor?
Really tender.
Yeah, the meat's really tender. I think it goes so perfect in there. And then the cream of mushroom soup, it just gives it just a little bit of the creaminess. Yeah, I consider this a home run, you guys. It's super easy to throw everything together in here. The sauce is phenomenal, and there's so much great stuff, and the meat is so tender, and you know, we got little veggies in there too. Let me know what you think about this easy recipe. If you're gonna change anything up, we'll have the recipe linked in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.